Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to program 2017 Subaru Forester key fob. Start by sitting in the driver's seat with all doors closed and the key in hand. Gather the original key and new fob, keeping them within reach. I will guide you step by step through ignition cycles, button presses, and timing so your new fob syncs reliably. Stay patient and follow each action exactly for success. Begin with the driver's door closed and all other doors shut, then insert and remove the key 5 times ending in the on position. When the lock cycle, press both lock and unlock buttons on the new fob for about 1 second each. Repeat button presses if needed until the doors confirm with a lock cycle. If programming fails, restart the sequence from the beginning and be precise with timing. If the fob does not program, first check and replace the battery to rule out power issues. Confirm you purchased a compatible fob designed for 2017 Subaru Forester models, as some aftermarket units differ. Try the procedure again, keeping exact timing when cycling the ignition and pressing buttons. If problems persist, consider a battery disconnect to reset systems or consult a locksmith for advanced diagnostic help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.